you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This is the channel for you because that's all I do. I love gardening and I love having fun doing gardening. And so today I bought some vegetables that I'm going to plant, and so I'm going to show those to you. And you're going to ask, for me, I think buying the vegetables when it's already, the seedling is done and everything is done for me, it's better for me because I don't have to spend any time doing seedling. And so it makes my life easier, and that's how I've been doing it all the time. So I will show you what I bought today and we will see what they look like. And I can't wait. It's going to be fun. Like I said, it's going to be all about fun. So let's go right in. So these are the vegetables that I bought, and I did make a video showing you how to choose the right vegetables plant for your pot. I always dig in to see the fresh healthy ones, and you can see all these are all healthy. This is cheaper to me because this is a whole basket. You buy the whole set. This only cost me almost like $21, and I have all these healthy tomatoes. You can see this one is the Brandywine. I don't think I've heard that name before, so I said, well, I'll plant this. So that is a Brandywine tomato. And the next one I have, which is the tomatoes, is this one. This one is actually Roma tomato. I love Roma tomato. So these is 2 container. You see, one, you plant one each into a pot because these are going to grow really well. So that is that one. We have Roma tomato and we have Brandywine tomato. Now another tomato that I got, which is this one, is Pink Girl. And these, I've planted these before, they did really well, so I'm gonna try that again this year. So this is going to be Pink Girl. And so those are the tomatoes that I have. Oh, I have another tomato. Okay, yeah, so here's another tomato that I have. This one is Chef's Choice Orange. This is a beef stick tomato, so we are going to plant. So already you have 6 pots of tomatoes. It's gonna be a lot. I didn't plan on planting all these, but I see them and I like them, so we're gonna see. So now I have pepper. I bought some peppers. I think I have more pepper than the tomatoes. The first pepper that we have here, this is Rico. So this is a hot pepper and it's going to be very hot, but I think it's gonna do well. I like hot food, spicy food, so I bought this. So that's one, and look at how fresh it looks. And this is how I pick my things. You can see the thickness, the darkness of the leaves tells you it's so healthy because I've been planting for a while, so I know the difference from good plants that will do well. And so that is that pepper. The next pepper I got is the medium hot block. I have never planted this before, but I just like the design. I think this looks like something we have in Ghana where it's very hot. We call it pakpushito. So I got this pepper. And then the next pepper I have, so this is also 2 pots. That one is 1 pot, this is 2 pots, so already you are going to have a lot of pots. So if you don't plan on planting a lot, don't buy the set. I didn't plan on, but I just got caught up in it. So the next pepper that we have, you can see how the leaves all look so greenish. This one is Anaheim chili. I love Anaheim because I cook a lot and I have a cooking channel as well. So I love to use pepper, make my own. So this is hot pepper, Anaheim hot pepper, and that's that pepper. And then we have another pepper right here. And this one is Inferno. I don't know which one is this, but it just looks like another pepper we have in Ghana. This is also hot pepper, and you can see the colors, how long they are going to look like. So I'm going to label all these to make sure I see what is what. And you can see these also looks lovely. And then they also look like they are about to start growing fast. So I like to pick things like that which are already ready to be used. Like this one, you can see it's like ready. It's not going to take long, and it will start making pepper. You can see this as well. See how this is all done. It's going to start making pepper soon. So I like to pick something that is ready to be done. So those are the peppers. That I have another pepper. This one also is Hungarian semi-hot stuffing, and you can see that. So we will see how this goes, but that's another 2 pots. So I'm gonna end up with too many pots that I plan on. Another pepper. Oh, I think that's all the peppers. So I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers, but then in each one 4 of them have 2 plants. So 4, that's going to be 8 pots for the peppers, and then 1 pot for the other one, which only have 1 in it. So I'm going to get 9 pots for pepper. That's going to be a lot of pepper. All right, so I have some spices that I also bought. So this is herbs, some herbs that I have. This is Italian large leaf basil. I love basil. It's good for your pasta, for your sauces. And like I said, I have a cooking channel. I cook a lot, so I like to have these things at hand. And this is going to be 2 pots. So between the pepper and then also the basil, I already have 8, 9, 10, 11 pots already. And I'm not done yet. 11 pots plus the tomatoes. The tomatoes also have 2 each. Oh my goodness. So this is also 2, 4, another 2, that is 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 1, that is going to be 17. So far 17 plus the basil, that's going to be 18. Now we have this. And this is curly parsley. This is curly parsley, and you see how it looks like. It's so curly. And so this is already 2 pots plus 18, 19, 20 pots. And I don't think I have 20 pots. So that is 20 pots I'm going to get. And then I got onions. Well, last year when I planted my onions, it didn't do well at all. That was the store-bought onions that I planted it very, very late, and I think I might have given it too much water, so it didn't do anything. It was bad. It was destroyed. So this one I bought it. I don't want to plant it from my own, so I bought this one. And as you can see, this also have 2. So I think so far we are going to get 22 pots. So I have to get more pots because the pot I have, I don't think they are even 10. So we're gonna see. So, you know, for $21, I have 9 peppers, and then the tomatoes, I have 8. I have 8 tomatoes, and then with the spices, I have 2 onions. I have 2 basil. Oh my goodness! So I think it's gonna be 23, 24 pots. Oh my goodness! So that's gonna be a lot. So you gotta plan if you are trying to start from the beginning. Don't buy too many. Do maybe 5 and then see how it goes as a beginner, and then from there you can add more. But so far I have my plants ready. I have my soil ready. I have my plants ready, and let's see. I have my pots. I have my pots ready as well. So let's see. So this is lovely. I love this.